Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives SII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end. Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda Malpani, and to start with our first segment for Monday, 20th April 2026, Nifty index opened flattish, and after a slight dip in the initial tick, it rebounded from the support of 24,100. It gradually escalated northwards throughout the session and made high near 24,370 to finally close with gains of around 170 points. It formed a bullish candle on the daily as well as weekly frame and has started to make higher top, higher bottom from the last 2 weeks, with recovery of almost 2,200 points in this time frame. India VIX was down by around 4.9% to 17.2 levels. Nifty put call ratio increased to 1.09. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 23,900 to 24,900 marks, while immediate range could be in between 24,100 to 24,600 levels. Moving on to the second segment, in the equity cash market, FIIs were net buyers to the tune of 830 crores, while DIIs were sellers worth 4,516 crores. FII's index long-short ratio increased to 20.8%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest Nifty has to hold above 24,300 for the next up move towards 24,500 and 24,700 marks, while supports can be seen at 24,200. Bank Nifty has to hold above 56,250 for the next up move towards 57,000 levels, while on the downside, support can be seen at 56,000 zones. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in Coalpal, HUL, DMart, HDFC AMC, Jindal Steel, Siemens, Dabur, Polycab, RVNL, Federal Bank, Tata Steel, BSE, PNB Housing and NMDC. While some weakness could be seen in Wipro, HDFC Life, Sun Pharma and Swiggy. Wish you a super day ahead. Shivangi Sarda Malpani signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice. Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.